Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the 30 most important and exciting static GK questions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my future videos. Let's start today's session. Geeta Gopinath is the first woman chief economist to be appointed to which international organization? The answer is option number C, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. The Tata Iron and Steel Company is located at which of the following? Karnataka, Bihar, Odisha, or Jamshedpur? The answer is option number D, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Which of the following is the spice garden of India? Kerala, Bihar, Odisha, or Jamshedpur? The answer is option number A, Kerala. The waveform of a certain signal can be studied by spectrometer, cathode ray oscilloscope, junction diode, or sonometer. The answer is option number A, spectrometer. Extensive use of nitrogenous fertilizer. The answer is option number D, urea. The tissue found below the skin and stores fat. The answer is option number C, adipose. Recently, the Rohanius species was in news. Which animal is related to? Frog, tortoise, cat, or dog? The answer is option number A, frog. Which of the following sports is Narendra Hirvana associated? Football, hockey, cricket, or shooting? The Narendra Hirvani is associated with cricket. Vignesh Bogart is related to which sports? The answer is option number D, wrestling. Port Blair is located on which island? The Little Andaman, the Great Andaman, South Andaman, or North Andaman? The answer is option number C, South Andaman. Which of the following is the only Indian shuttled to have won a Summer Olympic silver medal? PV Sindhu, Smriti Mandana, Zakir Hussain, or Dania Mirza? The answer is option number A, PV Sindhu. The Shani Lychee of which state has got the geographical indicator tag? Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, or Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number C, Bihar. Ahmedabad is situated on the bank of which river? Sabarmati, Tapti, Ganga, or Mahi? The answer is option number A, Sabarmati. It originates from the Aravalli range of Udaipur district, Rajasthan, and it is the major west flowing river in India. Where is the origin of the river Tangri? The answer is option number D, Morni Hills of Shivalik Hills. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport situated in which place? Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, or Chennai? The answer is option number A, Kolkata. Ayodhya was the name of which city of Uttar Pradesh? Ayodhya, Srinath Nahar, Kanauj, or Unnas? The answer is option number A, Ayodhya. Which is the highest altitude commercial defense airport in India? The commercial defense airport in Kushok Bulak Airport, it was in Leh, Ladakh, and it is approximately a height of 3256 meters, and it is the 24th highest commercial airport in the world. Smriti Mandana is associated with which sport? Football, hockey, cricket, or wrestling? And the answer is option number C, cricket. Vishwanath Anand is associated with which sport? That we all know. The answer is option number D, chess. Which of the following cities will host the 2034 Asian Games? Riyadh, Doha, Tokyo, or Beijing? The answer is option number A, Riyadh. Which sport associated the name Koniru Hampi? The Koniru Hampi is associated with chess. The point of convergence of the parallel beams coming from the sun is called focus, center of curvature, pole, or radius. And the answer is option number C, pole. 0 degree Celsius is equal to dash in Fahrenheit scale. That is option number B, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Which color deviates least in spectrum of white light? Red, green, yellow, or black? The answer is option number A, red. What is the unit of angular momentum? Joule per second, kg meter square per second, kg meter per second square, kg meter. The answer is option number B, kg meter square per second. At what temperature Fahrenheit and Celsius are equal to? It was equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius. In a barometer, dash is used: water, water vapor, liquid, or mercury. The answer is option number D, mercury. Power of lens is measured in diopter, liter, velocity, or ohm. It was measured in diopter. Garampani Sanctuary is located at Maharashtra, Orissa, Uttarakhand, or Assam. The Garampani Sanctuary is located in Assam. The national income is calculated by which organization? The answer is option number D, Central Strategical Organization. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends, and if you want to see my previous videos, check out my playlist and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.